Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Business with Rocks. On today's episode, we're going to talk about how to develop your passion and then what happens when you do develop it. Let's dive right in. First things first, guys, I can't express enough how important it is that literally, eventually, you end up doing something that you love to do, that you end up finding that passion that you want to get into. Because listen, you are missing out on so much goodness, trust me, I'm telling you. So the first thing I'm gonna tell you to do is experiment a ton of stuff. Now, I'm not saying to dive in and throw your money in a whole bunch of different niches. I'm not saying that. Do it at either at a free clip or even at a very inexpensive clip. Invest little money into little things and see what sticks. See what you enjoy doing. And while you're doing that, guys, you'll be able to identify different things that spark your interest, okay? And if you see something you like, guys, you could dive in head first, just like that, because you found that particular passion that you're looking for. For me, guys, I know when I have children and they reach to the point of, graduating high school and getting into college, I'm gonna give them an option to take the first year off. Why? Because I know my mom didn't give me that option. She was like, Raquel, you gotta go to school. Even though I was successful on e-commerce at that point, but she was like, Raquel, you have to go to school. So I don't want to say that she took away a lot of my creative time, but sometimes college can be a bit like, I don't want to do this. I want to travel the world. And that's stripped away from us kids. So one thing that I want to do for my children when I have them is for that first year, we have 4 quarters. So that's 3 months per quarter. So I'll give my child an option and say, hey guys, listen, you guys have an option to do 4 things this year. Each of them is going to be a 3-month period, okay? So whether it's 3 months you want to do art, 3 months you want to be a surfer, 3 months you want to go intern at a hospital, or 3 months you want to do something else, you have those 90 days to sit there and be like, whoa, I like this, or this wasn't so fun, or whatever feeling you have. And then literally at the end of the year, you come to me and be like, Mom, I want to be an astronaut, or Mom, I want to be a monk, or Mom, none of that stuff was good for me. I'm like, oh, none of them? You're going to college. Because then from there, I'm like, you had an opportunity to go legitimately search for a passion at a young age and see what you want to do while your creative juices are still flowing. You understand? And then, guys, if you sit there and you think you found that thing that you want to do, you're so uber duper fascinated with it, then lock in on it. Learn it to the T, and then after that, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I found a passion. You understand? And guys, after you find that passion, after you find your purpose, do you know what happens? You wake up in the morning feeling refreshed. You wake up in the morning feeling like, whoa, I got stuff to do. Like, you feel like you have a purpose. You feel happy. You're never tired of it. You lose track of time. You're just like, wow, I was working for 18 hours. It don't feel like work, guys. It doesn't. You literally wake up and you feel like, man, I could talk about this all day. And guys, the best part about finding your passion and going down that journey is, guess what? You can help someone else find their passion. By going through what you went through, you know how to help someone else go through that same journey as well, okay? Remember, at the end of the day, we always want to end up helping other people succeed while we're on our journey, okay? So listen, guys, I hope you guys found some value in this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell down there. Listen so you guys can get any updates or any new videos that come in. And also follow me on Instagram, guys. I do like little e-com tips of the day, so that will definitely help you out. If you're interested, again, that's at Business with Rocks. So again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Have a great day, guys.